Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today I'm preparing for you Risoni Arroz Caldo. Our base will be chicken stock. Ang gagawin natin, ipiprepare natin siya into different bowls. So, you have your Arroz Caldo and ikaw na maglagay kung ano gusto mo. Pwede yung chicken, pwede yung itlog na maalat, lagyan mo ng onion leeks, lagyan mo ng ginger, lagyan mo siya ng garlic and onions. But we're not using malagkit na bigas. What we're using is Risoni Pasta. No? Risoni Pasta is rice pasta. No? Mas madali siyang lutuin, it's easier to control. In short, para maiba lang. No? Instead of malagkit, risoni naman ang gagawin natin. Let's begin with boiling our chicken. Para sa ating chicken stock, I've started boiling our water. There you go. And then, wash your hands. So dun sa binoboil natin, lagyan na natin siya ng onions. We'll take this out and then cut it into quarters. There you go. And just let it boil. And then we'll put some salt. More. So this will be the base for our Arroz Caldo stock. Okay? Let it boil. And habang pinapaboil natin siya, ipe-prepare na natin yung mga yung mga ingredients natin for our Arroz Caldo. We'll begin by making our dilis crispy. I'll put our dilis. Then we'll make it crispy. So, mga 5 minutes lang to, crispy na siya. Tsaka maamoy mo eh. Pag luto na yung dilis, sarap na nung bouquet niya. While we're waiting for that, itong mga green onions natin, we'll prepare it as well. Take out the root area. Then we'll cut it to small slices. So ito yung mga serving bowls natin. We put everything here, and that's how we're going to serve our Arroz Caldo. We'll check on our dilis. It's beginning to smoke. Okay, so while we're doing that, and we're waiting for this, we can start slicing our luya, our ginger. Okay, so we'll skin it. Cut it into small slices. And then we'll leave some para mamaya pag saute na natin isosaute na natin yung rice. Ganun din, lalagyan natin sa bowl. So puto lang sa pinong-pino. Pino lang siya. Ito masarap to kainin kasi nagsisimula ng umulan, di ba? So on a rainy day, masarap kaya ng Arroz Caldo. It's warm, no, comfort food talaga siya. Iba naman, iba-iba yung nilalagay nila. Sometimes naglalagay sila ng hindi lang dilis, hindi lang chicken, iba-iba. Minsan may naglalagay din ng boiled pork. Iba naman, ang ginagawa nila, hinahaluan nila ng goto, no? Tapos lalagyan nila ng kasugba. Sarap din 'yon, 'di ba? Tapos tanda mo yung mga goto, ang dami na bibili nun sa mga kanto-kanto. 'Yun, especially at night pag uwi mo yung galing ka sa bahay ng barkada mo. Sa kanto merong goto, nakainom ka ng konti. Lami man sabaw na init, 'di ba? Talami oy. Ganyan, pag uliin mo, atog na. Huh? Huwag ka lang pagagalitan ng misis mo. So finally, sliced ginger. This is nice for your Arroz Caldo. So while we're waiting for our dilis to get crispy, gawin na natin yung eggs natin. Ano ba yung difference ng Arroz Caldo at saka ng lugaw at saka ng goto? Well, basically, they're all the same. Lahat sila, ang base nila is boiled rice o boiled na pilit na bugas. No, ginawang goto because nilagyan siya ng tripe. No? They call it, arroz is rice, caldo is soup. No? So, nagkaiba lang na kung paano mo siya i-prepare. Iba piniprepare nila kasama yung tripe or yung kalyos, or sa Espanyol pa, kayos, no? Pero tayo, Pinoy naman tayo, so we'll call it kalyos. So, yung iba naman, chicken arroz caldo. So, yun ang difference nun. Pag nasa kalsada ka, pag sinabing goto, that's beef tripe with arroz caldo. So, yun ang difference nun. Okay? So, yun yung eggs natin. We'll clear this out. Okay, good. I'll turn off the fire. Then just residual heat lang magpapatuloy sa kanya. Good. Sakto. Wash your hands. When you're holding food, always make sure na malinis yung kamay mo. So, every step of the way, dapat naghuhugas tayo ng kamay. We'll cut our eggs now. Ayan. Gawin natin, we'll cut it into quarters. Ganun. Itong mga salted eggs actually originated sa China. And if you remember, yung mga Chinese, di ba? Nauna pa silang dumating dito sa Pilipinas kaya sa mga Spaniards. So yung mga travelers talaga, that's why they were able to find ways to preserve yung food. Dahil sa pag travel nila sa barko, mahabang mga buwan yun eh. So they found ways to actually preserve their food. So let's try this. Oh. Ito yung masarap na itlog na maalat. Tama, medyo may oil na siyang konti. You know, that means maganda yung pagka-preserve niya. Maganda yung pagkagawa niya. Wow, sarap. So let it go here. Into our bowl. Yum. Wonderful, how colorful. Itong dilis natin. So medyo malamig na siya. I-rough chop lang natin. No, not really fine. But ganun lang, maliit lang yung chop niya. Para talaga pang toppings lang sa arroz caldo. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just cut it if you want. May matitira na buo-buo, but that's still okay. And we'll put this in the bowl again. The next we'll do, we're going to chop some onions and garlic. Then gagawin natin na pang-topping din. We'll slice up 2 onions. Yan. Then we'll take out the skin. Ano ito yung ipa-fry natin until mag-brown siya. So chop our onions. And then we're going to fry this. So if you cut it on the edge, you cut the root part, and there you go. And then, initin na natin to. Tapos ang chicken natin, lapit na. We'll turn our chicken just to make sure na malambot na yung breast part niya. Turn chicken. Yun, para siya naman yung kukulo. The other side. So while we're heating this up, we'll put in some olive oil. Damihan olive kasi marami onions natin. And then, while we're waiting for this to heat up, durugin na rin natin yung garlic natin. So while we're heating the oil, i-chop na natin itong mga onions natin saka garlic. Unahin muna natin lutuin yung onions natin. And then when it's beginning to brown, that's the time we will add our garlic. I-mix na natin siya. So that in a bowl, mix na yung onions and garlic. There you go. Nice. Beautiful. I love the sizzling sound. Pag nag-saute ka, sarap narinig mo yung sizzling sound. Nag-saute. Pag naging tender na to, ano na yung pagka-pungent ng onions, nagiging sweet siya. Pag nag-caramelize na yung onions, it becomes sweet. So while we're cooking this side by side, i-check din natin yung chicken natin. Wow! Yan na. Nag-crack na yung skin ng chicken. That means malambot na. So now, our onion is tender. Pwede natin isama yung yung garlic natin. Put in the garlic. There you go. Once okay na yung garlic, this is done. We'll move on to our chicken. Okay. So after this, i-prepare na natin yung rice natin tsaka yung chicken. What I'll do now, I'll be slicing yung pang-saute naman natin sa rice. So I'll start cutting again our ginger. But this time, mas malaki yung slice niya kaysa dun sa pang-sahog. Then, onions. Skin off. And garlic. So ito yung magiging aromatics natin for the rice. Now it's time for us to try our onions. A little more. But the onion's turning sweet already. We'll mince our garlic. We'll chop it into very small pieces. And then ito yung aromatics natin for the rice and flavoring. Okay. There you go. That's it. Ganun lang siya. So now that our chicken is soft, i-separate ko na yung chicken. Make sure na ma-drain natin yung broth para walang tutulo. And then, ang gagamitin natin dito is the breast of the chicken. Yan. Let's try our chicken broth. Sarap ng chicken soup. So now, we're ready to boil our onion garlic mixture, one of our condiments for the Risoni Arroz Caldo. And then we'll start our rice. We'll start sautéing our rice with ginger, onions, and later on, ilalagay ko yung garlic. We'll start putting in our rice, but we're using risoni instead. Open this. You have to be very careful in measuring kasi ito risoni, the longer you cook it, mas nag-enlarge yung grain niya. So let's put in about a cup of this. Just a cup. Yan, just a cup for rice for this. Parang yung texture niya parang bigas talaga. So we'll put in a cup of rice here, and then just toast it a bit, and then we'll put in our stock. So while we're toasting this, I'm doing this at the same time. At tanggalin na natin yung mga onions na nandito. Sinama natin pag palambot sa chicken natin. So yung mga flavors nila lahat nandun na lahat sa water, sa broth na. Okay? And then slowly, once the risoni is toasted, parang you're cooking risotto. You'll put in your stock. There you go. And then let it boil. And while we are waiting for this to cook, yung chicken naman natin, malamig na yung chicken. So, pwede natin i-chop yung meat niya. I'm going to use the breast. So, take out the breast. Kasi yun yung gagamit natin pang condiments natin. Okay. Take out the skin. So this is your chicken already. It's diced chicken. Ito pa lang. Dami. Sarap na. Get a bowl. We'll put the chicken here. Let's check our rice. Lapit na. Lapit na siya mag-expand. Sara natin para mas mainit. So if you'll take a look at this, it really grows by the minute. O ngayon, malaki na yung ano niya. Malaki na yung rice niya. Let's give it a try. Just keep on stirring it. Just like risotto. Para hindi masunog yung ilalim. Just keep on stirring it. Stir, stir. 1 more minute, then ito transfer na natin dito. I just want the pasta to absorb all the liquid. Pero hindi siya dry na dry. So medyo in liquid state pa rin siya. I'll turn this off. And then we'll just let the residual heat work on the last minute. And ito na ita-transfer natin dito. Beautiful. So I'm going to prepare my bowl. Okay, now, luto na yung arroz caldo natin. We'll transfer it here sa bowl. Wow. Beautiful. So now we're going to try our Risoni Arroz Caldo. Siyempre, may konting preparation to. Make it look good. There. Wow. And then, put in some ginger. We put in some onion and garlic mixture. So, and put in some onion leeks. Then lagyan natin ng crispy dilis natin. I like lots of crispy dilis. And of course, tig na maalat. Tapos, the star of the show, syempre, chicken. We put in a slice of lemon. So now let's try this. Squeeze natin yung lemon. The best way to eat this is to mix it like this. Everything, halo-halo natin ganyan. And then try it. In it. Perting lami ay. Wow. Risoni Arroz Caldo. The perfect comfort food. Especially pag medyo umuulan ng konti, umaambon, or malamig yung panahon. This is one of the best comfort foods you can have. Okay? Well, thank you for watching Goma at Home. I hope you'll be able to try this in your own kitchen. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And then click on the notification bell para alam nyo kung meron ng parating na bagong episode. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me. This is Richard Gomez, and I hope to see you again here in Goma at Home. Bye!